Hello friends, here is something tiny little happiness I want to share with you today. It's a flipbook kind of a thing, really rather simple to make and enjoyable as it is. Well, I want to show it to you. I have used Tim Holtz papers for this base, and then I have used Paper Garden's Jane Austen digital kit for the prints and the decorations. And I haven't used anything else but a bit of lace and some die cuts and lots of glue. So it really was a simple one. And here first, let other pens dwell on guilt and misery. Jane Austen. Here is something little, tiny little promise of spring. I'd rather have nothing but tea. And here for this I have used, this is a Tim Holtz die cut, and I have simply added some doily in here and another one in here and glued them together, so it's really easy to make. But fun, makes a bit of a difference for the really square and straight lines in here. Okay, here. What are men compared to rocks and mountains? Asked Jane Austen. Here. It isn't what we say or think that defines us, but what we do. And again, just a simple thing, but sometimes those simple things are really the prettiest. Well, not the prettiest, but you know what I mean. Lovely. I have just glued some lace in there and made a pocket, and then added some papers in there. Sorry, but I want to put this in here, and just in case I forget again to add the details into my video texts, you can find the Paper Garden stuff like this digital kit from papergarden.fi. And here is another tiny little nook. I will be mistress of myself. Okay. Then I put this back because I think it's lovely to see all the way through how these simple elements like silk ribbon add so much into this whole concept. Okay. And here is an envelope filled with stuff for inspiration. And for once I haven't used any mixed media, I just have played with papers and glue. Sometimes it's really liberating, although my fingers itched the whole time to add something. And what do we find behind these curtains? I was quiet, but I was not blind. I have no talent for certainty. I love these Jane Austen quotes. I really had fun collecting them. And let's put this in here. And the final page. Here are some little prints I have glued in there. And then there is not a print I have turned into a deck. I have just glued a transparent sheet in here between the papers, and it's a bit different looking element again for this. And then there are actually two envelopes with prints again from the digital kit, and I think here I have put some texture papers and stuff. So it was tea simple and quick, but I love it so much. It's like having that liquid sunshine Virginia Woolf talks about, sitting in my hands when I look at it. Somehow it makes me smile really, really much every time I look at it. And I hope you enjoyed it too and found it inspirational. And I wish you the most wonderful and beautiful sunny day. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.